Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Minecraft server for free. So from any browser that's available on your PC, go to this app, which is Eternus. You have to get your personal Minecraft server so you can sign up, or you can sign in if you have an account already. But if you don't have, you can start signing up, or you can sign up with your Google account in here. So once you're done, typing your username and then toggling on this agreeing of the term of service, and then you'll be having this one. Now all we have to do is just to make sure that we have saved our information, so you can see that on the upper right corner of your phone. So let's tap this create a server in order to get started. So we have this word here, create. So make sure that you have also the bedrock edition. Now, we're going to tap on that one to make sure that it's attached, and then from there, you have to see that, or to make or use any names that you wish to for your server. And then in here, you can just make any designs or colors for that one. So you can also change that one later and tap create. So just wait for it to load and then be able to see this one. So as you can see, we have the name now above. And then you can also go to these options in here for you to toggle on the features that you wish to, or to change the game mobile. You may do that in there, or the slots, you may change that as well, and also the difficulty and everything about the game that you are making. So you also have this here, the world option, wherein you can add here the countries, and you also have the console in here available, and many more options on the upper left corner that you can see. So make sure that you copy that address and the port that is made from your own server. But we want to go on this link first, so let's tap start and then wait for a while, and then here tap yes and tap allow, and allow once more. Then it's now preparing. Wait for it for a while it's loading. And as you can see, it's now starting. You can just copy that address and also the port number. And then you want to paste that from your external server. So let's try to save and play now. So that's how you do it. So as you can see, we have now our free Minecraft server that you can start playing once it's done generating. So if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.